Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to block ads on Facebook. Alright, let's begin. Open the Facebook app on your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android. At the bottom right of the screen, tap on the menu option. Scroll down through the menu and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Account Center and tap on it. Here you will see an option called Ad Preferences. Tap on Ad Preferences to continue. Under Customize Ads, select advertisers you saw ads from. This will show you a complete list of advertisers whose ads have recently appeared on your account. From this list, choose any advertiser you want to block. Once you select an advertiser, tap on Hide Ads to stop seeing ads from them in the future. Facebook will notify you that it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to apply. After that, you will no longer see ads from that advertiser in your feed. So that's basically how you can block ads on Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.